Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Zane, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zane.
And I'm Anna. Hello, everyone. Zane, what is that?
This, Anna, is my time machine.
A time machine? It looks like an old book.
It is a photo album from when I was a child. Today, we're going to travel to the past.
Oh, I love looking at old photos. It is fun to see how we change.
Exactly. And to talk about the past and how we change, we need a special grammar phrase. Today, we're learning used to.
Wow, Zane, look at that room. It is very messy.
Yes, when I was a child, I used to be very messy.
Really? But now you are so organized. Your desk is always clean.
That is why we use used to. We use it for something that was true in the past, but is not true now. I used to leave my toys on the floor, but now I clean up.
I see. So it is a past habit that stopped.
Exactly. Now, let's look at you, Anna. Do you have a photo?
Oh, look at this. Yuck.
You look unhappy in that photo.
When I was a child, I used to hate coffee.
Really? But now you drink coffee every morning. You said coffee is a must.
I know, I changed. I used to drink juice. Now I drink coffee.
Notice the grammar, everyone. Anna said, I used to drink. She did not change the verb. It is the base form.
I used to drink. I used to play. I used to hate. Simple. Zane, is that you?
Yes, don't laugh. I told you I like old rock music.
You look like a rock star.
Well, I used to have long hair, and I used to play the guitar in a band.
That is so cool. But now you have short hair.
Yes, I used to wear band t-shirts. Now I wear blue shirts.
I used to be shy, but now I like talking on the podcast.
Okay, we know what we used to do, but what about things we did not do?
The negative form? Let me think about food.
Okay, do you like vegetables?
Now, yes, I love pasta with vegetables. But as a child, no.
So you can say, I didn't used to eat vegetables.
Wait, didn't used to? No D at the end of use?
Correct, because didn't is already past tense, use stays simple. I didn't use to eat broccoli.
Okay, I didn't used to like waking up early.
And do you like waking up early now?
No, that didn't change. I still hit the snooze button.
Some things never change. Traveling to the past is fun. It shows us our story.
And used to is the perfect way to tell that story.
Now, we want to know your story. We have homework for you.
Yes, in the comments, please tell us one thing about your childhood.
Finish this sentence. I used to.
Did you used to play soccer? Did you used to have a cat? Tell us below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to join us for the next lesson.
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone.